Here we go, stepping into this nice cab. Okay, this is a utility tractor. This is a tractor that should be very bare bones and very utilitarian. However, Kioti, in keeping with all of the traditions of Korean manufacturing, they went above and beyond. First of all, it's not installed yet, but there will be a Bluetooth stereo that goes right to these speakers that are right by your ears. The visibility around this machine is fantastic. I have these mirrors folded in at the moment. As I said, it's brand new, recently delivered, but we've got excellent in-cab ventilation. Both sides open. The rear window opens. And the beauty and magic of this machine is that we can get a backhoe on the cab. There are very few companies that are doing that right now. Now, let's talk about working at night. This thing lights up like an airport. There are lights all over the place on this tractor. We have this really cool manual and auto. As you get to the end of a field, if you were plowing, you can put it on auto and it will sense to turn the PTO off when you turn the tractor around 180 degrees. Your remote hydraulic controls right here for the rear. Your 3-point controls are here, and they're really cool because they're in detents. You have your foot controls down here, forward and reverse. You also have independent rear tire braking, left and right. You have cruise control. You have 4-wheel drive. But very simple, very easy controls in here that help keep the cost down, but provide all the benefits and luxury that we're getting used to. We have a suspension seat, your 3-point pressure control, as well as a differential locker on here. Over here, we have the 3-speed hydrostat, low, medium, and high. Really cool little thing they thought of. USB charging port, as well as a regular 12-volt charging port. Nice cup holder and a great place to set your phone while you charge, while you drive, and listen to your Bluetooth speakers. We have tilt steering and a very simple and very easy to work around cab. Very ergonomic loader bucket controls. We do have an operable passenger door, which is not normal. We also have a visor, which certainly helps on those bright days. We've got great surround with our air conditioning, and just listen to how quiet this thing is when we start it up. Turn that air down so we can hear it. Got to be in neutral first. There we are. Very quiet cab. Very quiet. Nice air conditioning right off the bat. This is an incredible tractor, especially when you consider the money.